This being a machine, this is a technology we're going to deal with it. When you deal with this meditation, again, it's very powerful. This is a vehicle. That's what the Merkaba means. It's a vehicle you're creating. You already got an electromagnetic field, and now we're going to even make it stronger and program it. We're going to visualize the tube coming from the highest heavens. And it's going to go through the spinal cord, go through the body, it's going to be coming down into us. Then we're going to visualize two pyramids. And one is going to be created from the shoulders, coming downwards. And this is why it's called the famous Merkabah. Another one from the hips, upwards. And one is going to spin one direction and the other one the other direction. Which direction don't matter, whatever gets you, but they must go opposite. So we're going to put that in place. And I'll show you how to build it. The one's going to come up from the shoulders, go down, and it's going to be four base. And the other one's going to come from the hips, going up, this way, coming up. The one's going to spin one way, the other one's going to spin the other way. We're also going to have two going through the body. So we get that in place. We're going to go through our mudras. But anyway, we're going to do the 14 breaths. We're going to hit the first mudra. And these are energy channels that we're actually unlocking through breath. So we'll breathe in, the tube of light. You're going to envision the light coming in from the top and the bottom. They're going to meet at the abdomen. So both of them, one is going to come down, one's going to come up, and it's going to create a ball. And then you'll breathe out, and the ball gets a little bigger. Then we go to position number 2. Breathe in, energy comes in, breathe out. The ball's going to get a little bigger. Then the next one, we go to position number 3, mudra. Breathe in, breathe out. It's going to get bigger. Up to 14, we're going to keep going through them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to start over again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then the 14th breath is going to be all the fingers together. And we're going to lock them. That's going to be the 14th breath. We'll breathe in. But on the 14th breath, we're going to unleash it. All of this light into the pyramid. And one is going to be spinning one direction. The other one is going to be going the other direction. So it's going to be spinning. And then even though you got the 14th breath hooked up, you're going to continue to breathe in and breathe out and then go into the pyramid. Breathe in, breathe out. You're spinning both of them. Oh, we'll go to each mudra. It's like breathe in, we'll be at number 1. Breathe out. We built that ball. Then we go to mudra number 2. Breathe in, breathe out. Then we just go right down the line. 3, 4. And each mudra is actually making an energetic connection within the body. Oh, both hands. And we're going along. Then we go to the 14th. Now, as we're spinning that and you're putting energy within to the pyramids, we're going to program it. See, this is how powerful it is. So your thought process is really extending far from your body right now. Many people don't know it. So now, just like a crystal, just like a rock or anything else that we program, you can actually program your energy field. So you can pick a word of peace, power, any word you want. Love, compassion. Visualize that word in your head and then allow it to go inside the pyramid and dissolve within the light. You're actually programming your pyramid. So whatever a person you're around a person, not only they feel your energy field, you've been working on it. That word also means something. See, a mantra is a vocalized word. That's what we're saying. A word of power. And the word only has power if you know what it means. If you don't know what it means, it's going to have less effect, less power. You just don't know what it means. So it got to be something you know what it means, even if you use it in another language. And a mantra is a thought that you can have. When you chant, you don't need to just do it vocally. You can think a word over and over again, and it will break up blockages. That's a mantra. It's a thought that you keep doing repeatedly. And that's powerful to reprogram the body. So you're taking this thought and you're bringing it right into your energy field. And then we're going to do other things. We're going to use the word detox. You're actually going to command your body. As these spinning around and the light is going through, and you're going to detox the cells of the body. Because the body's listening to you, but now you're going to start commanding it. Then you're going to tell it to generate. You generate its energy, and then you're going to command it to heal itself. And then something real spectacular to show you that the body's listening to you. You're going to ask the body to receive everything it needs from other sources. And this is very powerful. We only been taught to eat from our mouth, but this is something now. You can eat from your skin. You can eat from your nose, from your eyes. It's all energy again, but if you don't know that, that's what the body's doing. You're defeating the purpose. You're letting that other frequency ride. So that's why food is a small one. But the big one, when we was talking about that trauma, that's what this is good. See, as this light spinning around you, it's cleaning the physical body. It's a high frequency you're dealing with. And when you start working on the body like that, it's going to be forced to transform itself. Because you keep giving it more light. So you're forcing it to what? Move old blockages. That's what you're doing. It has to get rid of it. It ain't going to stay there. So that's why the more you stay in the light, that's the pranic journey. So when you're dealing with this, it's cleaning everything at the same time. You bring that tube down through the body, running the energy, cleaning out the channels. Very powerful meditation.